This is the assembly video for the Antlion Kusudama, and we'll be using this unit where this part with the flap, this flap coming out, this will be the 3, and this part without the flap, this one will be the 5. So take 2 units together and align the flap here and insert this piece, and so that these 2 flaps will meet. And we'll take another one, insert to the second one, and you can see that there will be 3 of these flaps coming together. And finally take the first one and insert to the third. And we will continue on, just pick one side and we'll insert 2 more. You will see that this is the part with the flap, and just insert it like that so that these 2 will meet. This goes here like this, and this part will go into this. You can see this, there's 3 of these coming together. And we can pick here, so these are the 5s, these are the 3s here, these are the 5s, so we can just pick one side, let's say this part, and insert 2 more. And you'll notice that this one will be forming the 5s. These 3, so this one was the first one, the second one, and this is the third 3s, and you will see the 5s will be starting to form here. And just continue on, just make a cycle here. This one goes into, and this is the 4th 3, and once we have 4 3s, you just insert this one to the, from one end to the other. And this part will be forming the 5th, and just insert 1 more. And so this one will be the 5s, the first of the 5, and these are the 3s, and we'll continue on at the side here. We want to complete this as a 5, so you said this 1 2 3. So let's continue to assemble. Will be this one is a 3, so this is the next one. I want to make this Yeah, what we just did is just, this is the trees, and you will see that this part is starting to form. So what we go in a cycle. So this is the tree here, then there will be another tree here. So to make sure the color is balanced, I'll use a brown here. This one. Yeah, so this is the 5 and 3, 3, 3, 3, and the final one will be here. Just take this one, insert, and this one will be a blue. So this is the second fifth that we have completed one cycle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of the tree. Now back to this point, we have complete this 5. So the next one will be here. So you just go one cycle like this. And so continue here. You can see that this is the 3, 3, 3. So we'll make a tree here, and again it will be a blue here. So it's a blue, and this is a brown. It will be to complete the tree. So this is the tree, and we have 5 already, so just complete this one. Just insert here. And this one will be a blue to complete the trees. So back to the main one. This is second fifth, third one. We will continue here. Yeah, so from here you can see that there's 3 here, 3, 3, and let's continue here. The 5, 3, 3, 3, 3, and this one will be the last 3. So just take this one, insert here. Take one more, insert. Alright, so to recap, this one was the first origin. We have 1, 2, 3, and let's do this, the fourth one. And let's just complete this one. Complete this 3. And once we insert this part, you will see that you can actually take this and put it here, and it's basically just forming the how to say, sixth, fifth. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th. This is the one. And like usual, we have 5s here, and this 3, 3, 3, 3. We want to complete the 3 here. Here. And once all the 5s has been completed, we will be left with 5 more. And this is just basically doing the things up here, right? Yeah, so you can see that we have 5s here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one will be, we need to complete this part. And we have 3 already, 3, 3. So let's do a 3 here. You can see that these two comes together, and there will be the third one here. Yeah, and you will see that this we want to do another 5s here. Stack this one, insert here. And the 5 we have 3, 3, 3, 3, and this is the 3 we want to insert. So once we completed the 3s here, you will see that this one can go here, and this one will be forming the 5th. Okay, once the 5 is complete, you will see that we need to do a 3 here. And this one can go into this bucket, so we're forming a 5. And the last one will be just go in like this. Just take note, this is the 5s, and we have 3, 3, 3, 3, and this is the last 3. Go inside like that. So let's just lift up everything away and insert this, and this one can go into this. This one can go here, so it's complete a 5. This one goes here, it's complete the 3. And this one goes into this. And you will see the last 5 actually it forms by itself. So just arrange the flaps around so it makes it more even. And we are done.